Swiss scientists just reinvented the robotic hand with a detachable, crawling marvel. Welcome to AI News in a Minute, brought to you by Tavis, the future of interactive video. I'm Jerome W. DeWald. This is Saturday, January 24th, 2026. The Swiss Federal Institute of Technology Lausanne shook robotics by unveiling a hand that detaches and crawls with its fingers, holding multiple objects securely. This tech fits tight spaces and could boost disaster response and industrial inspections. Tesla's robotaxis are driving fully unsupervised in Austin, Texas, with no safety drivers. Despite a few crashes, Tesla plans to ramp up this driverless fleet, betting big on its next-gen AI chip to lead autonomous ride-hailing nationwide by 2026. Ocean's ocean micro-robots survived a Category 5 hurricane while collecting real-time data. Deployed by NOAA, these hardy bots offer breakthrough insights during extreme weather, with contracts boosting weather prediction and defense capabilities worldwide. Microsoft's Ro Alpha AI model lets two-handed robots act on plain language commands, blending vision and touch for smarter, adaptable machines. This leap bridges AI and physical robotics, transforming how robots learn and perform real-world tasks.
In China, Zoomlion's humanoid robots churn out excavators every 6 minutes across over 300 smart factory lines. These robots bring self-adaptation and decision-making to industrial production at scale, reshaping manufacturing's future.
That was your AI News in a Minute with Jerome W. DeWald. Stay ahead in the AI race. Leave your thoughts about which robot impresses you most. In the comments, give this video a like and hit subscribe so you don't miss tomorrow's AI News in a Minute.